Elvish Yadav, the popular YouTuber who rose to fame after winning Bigg Boss OTT Season 2, has once again found himself in the news. This time, it's not just about his growing popularity or his achievements. Recently, his team member Kushal Tamwar emerged victorious in Roadies Double Cross, which has added to Elvish's already impressive track record. However, this success hasn't shielded him from controversy. Elvish has faced his fair share of controversy over the years. He has been in the spotlight for various reasons, many of which have sparked debate. These include his arrest under the Wildlife Act for allegedly obtaining snake venom for rave parties, accusations of attempted murder from fellow YouTuber Max Stern, and a public feud with Abhishek Malhan, aka Fukra Insan, over what Elvish describes as negative PR. Now, in an interview, Elvish opened up about how these controversies have taken a toll on his mental state. Reflecting on the challenges he has faced, Elvish admitted that these constant scandals have affected him deeply. In the interview, Elvish shared his thoughts on the impact of these controversies. रोज सोचता हूँ जो चीज करी नहीं वो चीज झेलनी पड़ रही है. सोचता हूँ इतना फेमस होना गुनाह हो गया है क्या? मेरे से भी फेमस लोग हैं, वो तो खुश है, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों है? पर फिर सोचता हूँ कि सोच के क्या ही हो जाएगा. एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ में जितनी जल्दी आए ऐसे तरीके से ना आए, पर मेरा आ गया. बहुत चीजें सिखाता है ऐसा टाइम और एक्सपीरियंसेस जो अजीब होते हैं. मैं मैच्योर हो गया अब टाइम से पहले, शायद जो 4 साल बाद होना था अब हो गया. His words reveal the emotional weight he carries due to the controversies surrounding him. Elvish also noted that he has grown significantly from these experiences, maturing faster than he would have liked. Despite the hardships, Elvish has learned valuable life lessons from these challenges. While Elvish navigates his personal and professional struggles, his family remains his pillar of strength. In the interview, he emphasized how his family has always supported him through thick and thin. However, they have strong values and principles, which means they only stand by him when he is in the right. मेरे परिवार ने हमेशा मेरा साथ दिया है, लेकिन मेरी फैमिली उसूलों वाली है. उनका मानना है कि अगर उनका बेटा गलत हो तो वो उसके साथ कभी नहीं खड़े होंगे, और वो मेरे साथ खड़े हैं क्योंकि मैं गलत नहीं हूँ. थोड़ा दुख होता है जब ऐसे झूठे इल्जाम लगाए जाते हैं. Elvish's heartfelt words reflect the emotional turmoil of dealing with false accusations, but the unwavering support of his family keeps him grounded and motivated to stay true to himself. Despite the challenges and false allegations, Elvish remains focused on his truth and continues to rise above the controversies. His journey has shown that even in the face of adversity, it's possible to remain grounded and learn valuable lessons along the way. Stay tuned for more updates on Elvish Yadav's journey as he continues to make strides in his personal and professional life.